I have Oreo, I have cream cheese. Oreo cheesecake coming up. Only 5 ingredients for this cheesecake: 250 ml of whipped cream, 16 Oreo biscuit, 250 grams of cream cheese, 40 grams of sugar, and 50 grams of butter. Our first step is to separate the cream from the cookie. As a kid, I always do this. Separate, eat the cream first, and then the biscuit. Once you're done, you're gonna put the biscuit and 50 grams of butter in a blender and you mix it. And here you have it. Now it's time to get the base of the cheesecake and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is what I'm using, straight in. And you can use a spoon, a spatula, or anything, even your hands actually, to spread the mixture and put a nice flat coat of biscuit and butter, and you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Right, as you can see, our base is ready. We're gonna put it now for 30 minutes. I have a tip for you. If you don't know the size of where you're gonna use a pan or whatever, just buy some extra Oreo. Now this recipe only required 5 ingredients, but for this one I add something else. Can you guess what that is? Write down in the comment below what you think I add as extra. And if you like the video and the recipe till now, please consider subscribe to see more recipe. I don't like doing this. All right, while we wait 30 minutes, what we're gonna do, we mix the cream and 250 grams of cream cheese. Once the cheese is ready, we whip the cream with 40 grams of sugar. For the topping, you're gonna mix this and spread all over the top of the cream and then put it back in the fridge for about an hour at least, but ask every Italian the next day, it's even better. All right, half an hour is gone. It's time to fill the cake with all the cream that we got. Done. Last step, before the fridge, we take the mixture and we carefully place on top. Now we gently press the top with a spoon. We cover with some clean wrap and off we go.